أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قل من رب السماوات والأرض قل الله. قل أفاتخذتم من دونه أولياء لا يملكون لأنفسهم نفعا ولا ضرا. قل هل يستوي الأعمى والبصير أم هل تستوي الظلمات والنور أم جعلوا لله شركاء خلقوا كخلقه فتشابه الخلق عليهم. قل الله خالق كل شيء وهو الواحد القهار.
Say, who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth? Say, Allah. Say, have you taken besides him protectors, who have no power to profit or harm even themselves? Say, are the blind and the seeing equal? Or are darkness and light equal? Or have they assigned to Allah associates, who created the likes of his creation, so that the creations seemed to them alike? Say, Allah is the creator of all things, and he is the one, the irresistible.